Hello everyone and welcome back. Brandon here with Slingmods.com, and today we have the TricLED Frunk organizer for the Can-Am Spyder F3. Let's face it folks, we can all use a little more storage space in the Spyder F3. This 5-pocket honeycomb mesh trunk organizer is a must-have mod for any Spyder F3 owner. This organizer utilizes the wasted space under the underside of your front trunk lid. It installs in minutes with the included velcro strips and is perfect for storing little trinkets such as suntan lotion, writing glasses, gloves, or anything else. So now follow me as I walk you through the installation process. Start by pressing down on your key and turning it counterclockwise to unlock and access the front storage compartment door. Be sure to thoroughly clean the surface area before installing, and for proper adhesion, make sure you install with a surface temperature between 72 and 110 degrees Fahrenheit. Then simply peel back the protective backing tape. Carefully align the piece in the proper location before pressing down firmly to adhere into place. Once you're sure you have a secure fit, carefully unvelcro the organizer from underneath the front lid and go back through and firmly press the adhesive velcro strips to the lid. Well, it really is as easy as that, folks. So if you'd like to organize that junk inside your trunk, that junk inside your trunk, check it out. Then head over to Slingmods.com today and grab one for yourself. And don't forget to like and subscribe below to stay up to date with all the latest and greatest mods for the Can-Am Spyder. I'm Brandon signing out. We'll see you on the road.